Hi there, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us today. We are Group 1. My name is Akila, and my group members are Ram, Bhumika, Nancy, and Ahmed. Today, I will be starting off our presentation with the introductions and then going into our overview. Then I'll be handing it over to my next group member. The topic we chose for today was Business Perspective, British Columbia during the COVID-19 pandemic. Here is an overview of what we'll be discussing within our presentation today. British Columbia's adaptation to COVID-19 and how the BC government supported its citizens. Though monthly allowances were handed out to British Columbian citizens as well as the rest of Canadians known as CERB by the Canadian government, this was still just a start. The economy was hit hard and in turn affected businesses and the Canadian economy at a grand scale. Understanding how important it is to live healthy and functional lives as British Columbians, we decided to focus on these important areas: business and economy, mental health, and BC rules and regulations. Throughout our presentation, you will see the strategic points of these vital topics and why they are necessary to ensure the survival and positive impact on British Columbians during the pandemic. I'm going to now hand it over to my next group member to touch on research and analysis.
Hi, my name is Ram Singh, and today I'll be talking about how British Columbia government helped businesses and economy during COVID pandemic. BC government employed many initiatives to help local businesses and economy as much as they could. One such example is when government announced that they'd be giving a grant up to $10,000 to local businesses. This helps small businesses like cafes, restaurants, gyms, etc. Other than this, as claimed by Corporation BC Ferries, which at the time was losing $1.5 million a day, was helped by BC government, and if not for those contributions, it could have incurred losses up to $165 million.
Hi everyone, this is Bhumika. Today my topic is how BC government focuses on the mental health of the people during COVID-19 pandemic. During COVID-19 pandemic, British Columbians have increased access to vital mental health supports as the government announced 5 million in mental health program and start working in the partnership with youth centers to deliver new and expanded mental health services to the people of British Columbia. BC government has also invested in two unique programs that offer online peer support and targeted educational mental health resources for healthcare and community social service workers. Since 2020, these two services have reached more than 76,000 workers. Recent research suggests BC government to ensure that children do not experience additional avoidable difficulties due to either pandemic or the public health responses.
Hi, my name is Nancy, and I'm gonna talk about the rules and regulations. So, to prevent the spread of the pandemic, the BC government imposed many new rules and restrictions, including closing restaurants, prohibiting social gatherings, canceling in-person classes at secondary and high schools, and transforming to online studying instead. These restrictions significantly impacted the operations of many businesses. Particularly, many companies had to downsize, shut down, and even went bankrupt. The unemployment rate in BC quickly increased. For example, Army and Navy, which operated for over 100 years, had to close due to the pandemic. So, dealing with the serious pandemic and new rules, many companies had to adjust their operations to survive, such as changing the menu to attract new customers or moving to online businesses to maintain their loyal customers. So, thinking to ease restrictions and bring BC back to normal after 2 years, the government established new rules such as getting vaccinated and showing the BC vaccine card to attend certain events and activities, wearing masks in public indoor settings, and maintaining safety plans for gatherings. As a result, these rules and regulations have BC overcome the pandemic, prevent the lockdown from happening, and lower the death rate in BC. Next, Amit will conclude everything. Thank you.
BC government took outstanding measures to help prevent the spread of this deadly virus from implementing public health orders for the public, providing economic assistance to individuals and stopping evictions during these tough times for the people. Businesses during lockdowns were also given grants to help them from going out of business and foreclosing. The BC government also helped the residents by enhancing important health services like mental health by investing a staggering amount to help provide mental health programs, along with other important measures like helping decrease wait times for paramedics response. All these measures put by the BC government response to the COVID helped the province gain international recognition and helped the province take the lead in Canada on dealing with this virus.